The iconic Volkswagen Beetle returns in a timeless creamy beige finish, blending retro charm with subtle elegance. As it stands confidently under the pristine white lights of the showroom, the Beetle doesn't just whisper history, it proudly declares it. This isn't just a car. It's a symbol, a cultural icon reborn in modern times. From the front, the Beetle's unmistakable round headlights and curved bonnet take center stage, reminding us of its heritage. Yet, there's a modern polish in its stance, its lines more refined, the body smoother, and the paint glossier than ever. The creamy color accentuates its classic curves while giving it a fresh and luxurious presence. Step around to the side, and you'll notice the compact yet bold proportions. The gentle arc of the roof flows gracefully into the rear, preserving the Beetle's original silhouette while enhancing aerodynamics. Clean chrome accents along the windows and handles reflect the showroom lights, adding a premium touch. The wheels, classic in design but fitted with modern alloys, keep the essence of the past alive without compromising performance. At the back, the design remains faithful to its roots with rounded tail lamps and a minimalist rear bumper. The Volkswagen logo sits proudly at the center, representing decades of engineering legacy and design evolution. Below, subtle exhaust, detailing, and underbody curves give it a more grounded and sporty finish. It's a perfect harmony between nostalgia and innovation. Open the door, and you step into a cabin that masterfully combines retro aesthetics with modern comfort. The interior is wrapped in soft beige leather, with matching trim on the dashboard and door panels. Every detail, from the circular speedometer to the tactile knobs, has been thoughtfully crafted to retain the Beetle's classic vibe while seamlessly integrating contemporary technology. The steering wheel is vintage in design, yet features modern controls. A crisp infotainment screen blends discreetly into the dashboard, offering Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and audio features without disrupting the old-school atmosphere. The seats are plush, with just the right amount of bolstering for long city drives or weekend getaways. This Beetle isn't about raw power or racing performance. It's about character. It's about driving a piece of history that feels just as special today as it did decades ago. The engine hums with smooth precision. The suspension offers a balanced, comfortable ride, and every journey feels like a celebration of automotive soul. Whether you're an enthusiast drawn to its legacy or someone simply in love with its charm, the creamy Volkswagen Beetle offers more than transportation. It offers an experience, a memory in motion, a story on wheels. Standing here, surrounded by the clean elegance of the white showroom, it's clear some legends never fade, they evolve.